Sorry guys to interrupt, but as you guys can see from this morning routine, it's changed. It's more productive. I just wanted to share the journey I've embarked on to boost my productivity, revamp my morning routine, and detox my brain. I feel like I was slipping away into being an average teenager, spending 8 hours a day on my phone, having little to no focus when doing simple tasks, being overwhelmed with balancing my life, balancing my schedule. The list goes on, guys. Come on now. I really want to provide content for this topic because I really do believe in enhancing one's performance. It always goes back to that old saying, the number one thing in life is to better oneself. So let me know if you'd like to see this kind of content by clicking the like button and commenting I do, or if you want to give me any video ideas, that'd be great. But anyways, let's get back to the video. Okay, welcome back to another segment of Cooking with Matthew. Today we are going to be making smoothie. Just kidding. We're not making a smoothie bowl today. We're going to be making protein pancakes. Now let's get to the ingredients, shall we? First up, you'll need is half a banana. That's a full, but a good old protein powder, some trusty old oat milk. We've got some cinnamon. We got some cinnamon. Some eggs. 2 only, and some oats, and one more thing is going to be some baking powder. Let's get to cooking it. Next step, really easy, combine all of this into the blender. But next up, we are going to add the mixture onto the pan. Okay, so it didn't go as to plan. The pancakes are nutritious, but the toppings are not. Fluffy in the middle. Pretty decent, to be fair.
Five hours later.
Thai green curry that I meal prepped like last week. This will do. Look, it's a bit mushy because it's obviously been in the freezer. Okay, let's get ready. First up we got is the undershirt. Cold days in that. It's been a cold winter. Number 10. They come up.
Plenoic.
So that's it, guys. A quality 10-0 win against Dunbar Rovers. What a game and what a performance. From the get-go, the boys were just on them, fighting for the ball and being real driven to win the game and win every challenge. I played very well, but so did the team as well. Let me know if you want to see that content that I was talking about earlier. I would love to welcome you into my community. But for now, thank you and peace.